Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video is a very special video for me because today I'm going to recreate my own traditional Bengali bridal makeup, and I'm also going to share with you this Bindi design. If you do not know, I did my own bridal makeup and this was the exact same look I came up with. And I decided to recreate this look for you all. I'm also going to share with you some photos from my wedding album. And before starting, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and please help my channel to grow even more. Also share this video with your friends and family. Let them know about my channel. Please do so. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm taking this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in black brown, and I'm just drawing the borders first, then I'll be filling it in using smaller strokes. I'm going to make my brows really dark and bold because in marriage there will be flash photography, and in flash photography your brows tend to look really lighter than usual. Now I'm just combing my brows so that there is no excess product. Now I'm taking this Milani concealer and I'm going to clean up the borders of my brows first so that my brows look well shaped and defined, and I'm also going to apply the same concealer on my eyelids to prime them for eyeshadows. Now the products that I'm using in this video are not the same product that I used on my wedding. If you want to know my bridal kit, then click on the link over there to reach that video. On that video I shared with you my bridal kit and the products that I used on my wedding. Now I'm just taking this Bharat & Doris loose powder and setting my entire eyelid. And there is a picture from my wedding album. Now I have hooded eyes and my eyes were wide open, so you cannot really see my eye makeup, but trust me, I'm going to recreate the exact look that I did for my wedding. And for that, first I'm taking this shade called Running Late from my Makeup Revolution Sofix Extra Spice palette, and I'm just applying it as my transition color, and the brush that I'm using is from Pune store. Now I'm taking Cheesecake. Yes, this is Cheesecake from the same palette, and I'm just applying it over the first color to have a nice gradation, and the brush is again from Pune store. I'm taking 21, which is a pinkish red color, and I'm just applying it slightly above my crease because I have hooded eyes. If you do not have hooded eyes, then apply the color directly onto your crease, and the brush that I'm using is a crease brush from Wet n Wild. Now I'm just blending everything out with a clean blending brush. This brush is again from Pune store. Now I'm taking Enchanted, which is a dark brown color from the same palette, and I'm going to apply it on my outer V area. Now there is a reason why I'm applying a brown shade instead of a black shade first, because black shade sometimes can be a little bit patchy, but if you apply a brown shade underneath, it will look just fine. I'm taking this black shade from my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, and with this pencil brush I'm just applying it on my outer V area, and I'm also dragging the color in a bit through my crease. Now I'm taking this shimmery gold color from the same palette, and I'm just applying it all over on my eyelid. Now if you do not know, red, black and golden, this is the classic combination for a Bengali bridal look. Now applying the same brown color between the golden color and the black color to have a nice gradation. Now I'm taking 21 again, and I'm just applying it on the borders to make the red stand out even more. Now an Indian bridal look is never complete without glitter, right? For that I'm using this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in Desert Dazzle, and I'm just applying it over the golden eyeshadow. On my wedding I applied liquid glitter, and I think this was from the brand called Segolike or Segolic something. Now I'm taking this NYX Photo Loving Primer, and I'm just priming my face. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. If you are looking for a good primer for your wedding, this can be a great option. This blurs out your face, fills in all those pores, and this just makes your makeup long lasting. Now I'm just color correcting my face. For that I'm using this illegal orange corrector, and I'm just applying it around my mouth because I have hyperpigmentation over there, underneath my eyes because I have dark circles, and I'm just blending it out using my finger. If you're using this color corrector, try to blend it with your finger. This way it becomes a bit lighter. Now for my foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Superstay foundation in 220, and I'm just buffing it in using the same damp beauty sponge from Real Techniques. And do not forget your neck. Always apply the foundation on your neck and also blend it on your hairline, otherwise it won't look natural. For highlighting and for concealing, I'm using the same Milani concealer, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes in a bigger triangular shape, on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, and the sides of my mouth, and also just under it I'm going to place my contour next. Now I'm just blending everything out again using the same damp beauty sponge. Now for cream contouring, I'm using this Wet n Wild contour stick in Where is Walnut, and I'm just cream contouring my face. If you're doing your bridal makeup, I will highly suggest you to do a cream contour because it just makes your contour stand out even more, and it will be long lasting. And you know the drill, right? Like my hollows of my cheeks, forehead, jawline, nose, and again I'm just blending everything out using the same damp beauty sponge. Always blend out your jawline in a downward direction, and your cheek contour and your forehead contour in an upward direction. Now I'm just setting my under eyes and my smile lines using the same Bharat & Doris loose powder. And for that I'm using the same damp beauty sponge. And for my entire face, I'm using this Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder in 001 transparent, and with this powder puff I'm just setting my entire face and neck. Now I'm just baking my under eyes and my smile lines. For that I'm applying tons of loose powder because I get creases on those areas pretty quickly, and if I get any fallouts due to the eyeshadows, it will be easier to dust it off later without spoiling my base. Now I'm just outlining my lower lash line with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. This step is a bit difficult, and I did the same on my wedding as well. Now I'm taking this Maybelline gel eyeliner, and I'm just applying it on my waterline, and I'm also going to tideline with it. I will highly suggest you to use a gel eyeliner instead of your regular kajal, because regular kajal can fade away pretty quickly, but a gel eyeliner, especially this one, it stays all day long. Now I'm applying 21 on the borders of the eyeliner. I'm also applying the glitter on my inner corner to have that pop. Now I'm going to create a nice bold wing with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. I'm also elongating my inner corners a bit. This will make my eyes look wider and bigger. Now I'm just highlighting my brow bones and my inner corners with my Makeup Evolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. I'm not going to apply falsies now because I'm going to do those bindi design, and the eyelashes will create obstacles for me. Now the most interesting part begins here, that is the bindi design. For that I have applied a large red bindi on my forehead, and I'm applying a white face paint and an eyeliner brush for that design thing. And I'm going to fast forward this part, and I'm going to make it mute. And if you are wondering, I'm using this powder puff as a shield so that I am not touching my makeup. And yeah, I'm going to fast forward this part because I cannot really explain all those steps, and if I do not fast forward it, the video will be like 1 hour long, and we do not want that. As I did not have any red color, I used my Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in Messy and Fierce. And it is done. I was so nervous before doing it, but now I am well satisfied. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Lash Sensational Lash Sensational mascara. For my falsies, I'm using this Ardell 3D Fox Mink lashes of the camera, and this is the complete eye look. I'm going to finish my face. For that, I'm using this Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in 03 Sun Tan, and I'm just powder contouring again. That means I'm applying the powder wherever I applied the cream contour. If you do so, your contour will be long lasting and it will be prominent, and your face will look more chiseled. For my blush, I'm going to use my Fit Me blush. I forgot the shade. Everything will be mentioned in the description bar below, so please do check that out. And I'm just applying it on my cheeks. I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, and also the sides of my forehead. I'm just setting my entire makeup with my NYX Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Spray. For my lips, first I'm lining my lips with my Wet n Wild lip liner in Red the Scene, and I'm also going to fill in my lips with the same lip liner. It will make your lipstick long lasting. And for my lipstick, I'm using the same Messy and Fierce. This is a stunning red color. And here is the complete look. I truly enjoyed making this video, and this was a bit emotional for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please like the video and please share it with your friends and family. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar below, so please do check that out. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.